Alright, ngelapoy. Finally ngelapoy Prague.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Prague.
Czech Republic.
We are now approaching Prague in addressing.
What do you Prague ngam tip? Selebet murah-murah. Let's do this. Chalo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Prague. Kani ke train ke Shim ke Dor ke Pras Pak tinggal 4 euro na po Vienna Shangni po Prague. Ti kayo di ko abam bihaban order. Ti ka lagi rukom song tu brokhai mukhat Pras Pak tingkah. Ti la fika ban wan ti fila ban book ye gitu ngelap ni kerteng pi ban dong sedong ti mentasngi mentangi ni lenya siapa Prague. No. Dan ni di station train juga Prague. Pe ni ko majudan ki baju up train situ shengi rukidan hi kini sakaliang ka mon gejonga ki badang ya up ki train bofer kiwe hang te rukidan ki bakila ban pe ye ki train ki ban lech sha ki jaka bofer ki situ shengi dikidan ki bahasya thia lingktar shani ban di kiwi ki jaj ban riu bale am tan dei shani ki di khareng met ki song madan ki khareng ki bateri ki khareng ki bakun khoi train ki khareng dadam sudah khareng sudah de situ tengi khareng ki bapoi wankai shani di ki bateri nei ani lahi ban la situ Tuh, chalo. Ya. Kini kali ba pinum isu lanu ru ke ba khamtam nilai hakari jungai pinum yo I hira. Pe ka tayar udah kading. Pagi bayat haki railway track. Ini kini kinja service car na benda ki railway track ibanga oi kaya see kani kin bro di Prague this is nice okay ledan ni habar te kani hang ni kadai ka
banana apple
labang nas da ba bat ke ba ipla pa kalong ma kedan ke plakot khat exo ke ba kenang ba pentikna bala kedan exo pinum subrat ya kai kat sabalat basya kejong lejong rukum jo pinum kam na kani jo yo dap welcome to Prague jabo sini oh nice dah aja, penkhoi dia ki jabo ki sela ki dah tengok rukam. Very nice man, very nice. MGE lah. Aku baik, okay. Ani, kau sedih, ngapa siapa bisa dia nak mana kepuas? Alright. Chalo. Tinggi kini yuk dengan taksi ni ketika belum ki kerja Uber situ. Maka dia dah ka kerting ke Bolt. Kerting ke Bolt. Di subuk baik. Ka sistem hang khmat lo cakap lah. Ya kan? Banyak cho thì push do yo do tuh ya kan miliknya Prague. Kani plan kita ke Prague mah So when he do singi village lang la sa top Hawaii guy san spa tingka uai kani ka kot ka badin na po Belarus mat kani tiwang na ba phila phidan kam exchange ni kong exchange wa hadin uai saki khutia ti mangi kham tre ngaling la jan ai tang ba adin ba na suthu no ba ngating la suang paimat ngating ikop beri pisah thok tema kada isa di pisah ka thok ka bamdei na kani kari na kamdei na ni na po Czech Republic. So please always beware, always be mindful that if you want ki jaka khamtam ni ben le exchange em ada kamdei hin ki counter em subha wat num exchange nomor ba wala dum ngan ni subha ban num exchange yo ba phi sha shet pat ko mas sha shet kum ni mo Long lo in perlok ni sya shet kum masih hajar tingka ye ka pisah sini te la kelakot kum balai hajar tingka pisah ni te kani mla penan kam hang ni namar bakam dei ka pisah ni, so be very careful nar gidan gi beri wanong pi ban exchange pisah waju ngop le ben hi counter kin ayu hi kin play hi the machine te oh di pet oh di look at this wow sim apa di tang hết không jingking tang deh ni hapo ayu mentang la sngotik kum la po India nomor 12 dang keblok ini pikai ka jaka sini kalong nu myo ni man please khangit ni ka jaka sini nai ha ko da ko please khangit kali myo or nai dap RR big bakut RR big phone we stay ko sini oh di jing pas bi mang put par kami long while kena sini ke traffic ni ha Jeral ke kami long while ke traffic sini Bani ka Vienna te kami while sini ngat sini tidak yang para nong selong we have Prague nilai po ini jaka ni bangi ini lek tour no ya ni ka Prague tangma lebih samjung ka Prague lebih samsu ka Prague pia ben su lupa ka jaka pio ndai te hang ni sispa tingka tang bai lit su sispa tingka be jung
I know.
okay jung oh hi and that's how
And in there you don't want to pay 5 rupees man, fuck you.
And that you on video and that is how costly your ka lu kata ka rem ka o ban ka su jong phi
That means crow exchange 100 euros. Yes.
No, he took from medium.
This is for my
I told him, wait. I don't care.
Chichiro.
you I know you yes.
You're good with Indian names as well. A lot of Indian tourists come here.
Yes. Like I mean, everyone is coming here. We are in the
Rin
middle
kut
of Europe,
mata
so
snging
people
ya
all around
phong
the
rin
world.
kut jai
From everywhere. It's a beautiful city.
Sure,
You know where
let's
to
do
go.
this.
It's like every capital. It's kind of Disneyland here, down there, here. By the Charles Bridge. So this is the main touristy area. Of course, I will take you up to the hills to see all the nice views, monasteries. We will taste something together as well. We will have some beer if you like. We will have
Nice.
some food and everything. I will tell you all when we gather here.
he is in love with beer
Yeah, sure, of course. Yeah, no, of course. No, definitely, you can send it to your wife. Then
You're in the second India.
You are okay, good, perfect, very good. Adventure tourism, and you are doing tours in India or somewhere else? In India. Okay. And what about, for example, what like I don't know, zip line?
We actually have eco-rural tours,
Okay.
culture and heritage tours,
Uh-huh.
and adventure tours.
Huh?
So we take people to various parts of our state
Nice.
where they can enjoy culture,
Sure.
you know, food
Of
again,
course.
and adventure, and
Nice.
see what the local people do, what the local
Perfect.
people live.
That's what we are doing here.
Yeah.
Maybe even later. I will give you my contact. We are already with Jeff in contact with his wife and everyone. I'm guiding for really 15 years here in this place. Actually, I'm owner of Prague Tours now, from Prague Tours and Experiences. What we started as guides when we were at the university, and when we were managers, then we bought the travel agency with my friend, and I'm mostly in the office, but I'm still guiding a little bit sometimes. We like it. That's the biggest reward for us. I can be outside sometimes and showing you something we love here in Prague. This tour, it's only me and my friend doing. Co-owner Ondra, he's there with the cap. It's me and me on the right with the glasses. And Ondra with the cap, that's my friend, co-owner. So this tour we are guiding only two of us. I will take you to the best places of this side of the river. We have two sides of the city center. This is castle side, or we call it Malá Strana in Czech, which means small side. And on the other side we have Old Town. Old Town, it's also interesting. We have Jewish quarter, all the nice squares, history, but this side has all the nice views. On the other side it's in the valley. So I will show you Prague from the top of the hill. I will take you to places without tourists. So that's why we started our tours actually in the company, because we don't have any flags and umbrellas. We are usually doing small groups up to 10 people. There are like 11 of you. Like, I mean, that's pretty much like maximum. Okay, when it's company events we can do more, but we want to do the quality and talk to you, and not to have headphones and umbrellas and zombies behind us.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is Prague. Welcome to Prague. Di Kaseliu nih kan. Ya ada warta. Hapej bahaya kah? Ya ka pla visage pi tiar gitar kamera berkiwe-kiwe. Oh si bakalat dos jot nih. Te sipe jon yu ni Shanghai ni kecaka. Kita ni kasel keleng-keleng. Hang ni tengah semua kuma da long take kum India. Kui kalian. Tama ta ni sia ya ji nomor labun bagi India ni. Abun madus nong weh. Kini hang ni rugidan. All right, let's see what we have in Prague.